Hamida Apusiga, and I am honored to share my poem with you all. But before then, I would like to ask, why should you take drugs? Don't you know that this is bad for you? Don't you know that this can make you go crazy and lazy in the society? Don't you know that this will break you down? It will drain you. It will make you feel like a crap in the society. You bring me up just to pull me down. I am not just like the same I used to be whenever you are around. My family and friends are different. They see the differences in me. They say, oh, you are not like the way you used to be. I am angry. I go crazy because I can't just be like me whenever you are around. So much you have taken from me and turned me into someone I never wanted to become. You turned my life. You changed my life. You drained my life. You make me look different in the society, among my friends, my families. Why? I told myself yesterday that I'm out of it if I were to be in. Why? Drugs will break you, it will drain you, it will make you feel like a crab. Thank you.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.